What if learning could fly? What if teamwork built more than just friendships, but actual flying machines? And what if the future of technology was literally in the hands of the next generation? Well, that's exactly what happened when Jack and Jill of America Inc. launched their incredible Build a Drone workshop. From the moment our young innovators arrived, you could feel the buzz of excitement. This wasn't just about building a gadget, it was about building skills, confidence, and a passion for something truly cutting edge. The agenda for the day was packed with high-flying fun and serious learning, and maybe a drone flying around it. At the heart of this workshop was a vital lesson: leadership. Specifically, the power of self-discipline and smart risk-taking. Our young pilots learned that precision and focus are key, especially when building and flying something as intricate as a drone. They mastered flight checklists, reinforced slow and steady control, and understood the importance of consistency. And when it came to risk-taking, they learned it's about conquering fear, starting small, scanning their environment, and always having a backup plan. They even discovered that crashes aren't failures, but valuable information. It was incredible to see them embrace these concepts, problem solving calmly, and building confidence with every step. But drones aren't just about individual skill. This workshop truly highlighted the power of teamwork. Our young engineers collaborated, double-checking parts and connections, realizing that teamwork makes the dream work. They learned to manage emotions, normalizing frustrations, and understanding that taking a breath and trying again is part of the learning journey. These are skills that go far beyond drone flying. To inspire them even further, they met Della and the Drone Squad, a group of teenagers who fight crime with drones and robotics. Then it was time for the exciting part: learning the drone rules and regulations and diving into the drone basics, parts. Understanding how these incredible machines work, from propellers to programming, was essential. Our attendees got hands-on, dissecting and assembling, turning a pile of components into a potential flying wonder. The partner, lead, and fly stations were a huge hit. This is where all their lessons came together. Kids teamed up, strategized, and took turns guiding their drones through exciting courses. The air was filled with focused concentration and cheers as drones zipped, hovered, and navigated obstacles. It wasn't just about flying. It was about communicating, trusting their partners, and leading with confidence. After all the building, flying, and learning, it was time for a well-deserved wrap-up, and snacks, of course. It was a day of incredible growth, sparking curiosity, and demonstrating true potential. The reflection questions encouraged everyone to think about their favorite activities, their takeaways, and how they show leadership through self-discipline and smart risk-taking. Drones are more than just toys. They are powerful tools revolutionizing industries from delivery and agriculture to cinematography and emergency services. By introducing children to this technology early, Jack and Jill of America are not just fostering fun, but inspiring the next generation of STEM leaders, innovators, and problem solvers. Who knows? The next great drone inventor or pilot could have been right here in this workshop. Like, comment, subscribe.